Good day vlog. Welcome to my tanamans. Okay, so to our tanamams, plantitos and plantitas, as well as inang and tatang, including daddies, ate and kuya. Today is another day of a review of this kind of plant. But before that, I would like to say thank you to my subscribers. For those who are new, do not fail to subscribe to my channel, which is Mommy Scrups channel. So, for our review today, I have waited for 2 months. Okay, I have researched this one before 2 months ago, but I have waited for it to bloom so that I can share this bloom, which is very beautiful. Okay, and so what is the family of this plant? You are familiar with this plant. You have this at home. Okay, so when you are still young, you tend this kind of flower. They are used as tea, or if not some, it is mixed for salad. Okay, it is edible. Okay, meaning to say it doesn't have any oxalate, which is toxic to our body. And so, what family is this? This plant belongs to family Malvaceae. Okay, you are correct. The Mallows family. So for Mallows family, there are 244 genera or genus, and this is just one of the genera with 4,225 species. So another genera, one genera and one species for this for Mallows family, or the Malvaceae. So I am going to give you 3 distinct characteristic for this plant so that it would be easy for you to identify this kind of plant. I am going to, okay, see, very nice and very beautiful. Okay, that is why I like this one to share it with you. Okay, so what are these 3 distinct character? The first one is that it is pendant form, or it hangs. Its flower is pendulous, pendant, or it hangs. Second, okay, the petals, okay, these are the petals. Okay, it is freely F-R-I-L-L, or another word for freely is lacy. So it's just like that of a lace. The third one, okay, the petals, this colored structure is divided. Okay, so look at the division. Okay, look, I hope it is clear with you. Okay, so see, and what is the color? It for me, at my end, it looks like that of a light pink, but very nice pink, a light orange, or if not red. So those are what my eyes sees into this kind of bloom. So see, okay, so red, and the other this lace part, frills part, are pinkish in color, very nice pink. Look at the bud. Okay, though this is the form of the buds. Okay, another thing, okay, when this soft part, if you are going to crush it, okay, crush, I am not going to crush because tomorrow, one observation, okay, the blooms stays only for 1 to 2 days, and after that it is going to wilt. Okay, so malata siya. Okay, if you are going to crush the soft part, or this one, it produces lubricant. Okay, it is slidey. Okay, it is, what is the name of that lubricant? It is a mucilage. Okay, so what is the function of that mucilage? It has a very important function for the flower, so that it will not be eaten by insects. Okay, and so what is the scientific name for this plant? Okay, it belongs to family Malvaceae, genus Hibiscus. Okay, just like your Hibiscus rosasinensis or the Gomamella family, but this is not your Gomamella. Okay, it is another Gomamella. This is not the regular Gomamella. Okay, so genus Hibiscus. Okay, species Schizopetalus. Okay, what is the meaning for schizo? Okay, split. Okay, look at the petals. Okay, these are the petals. It is split petals. So that is why its scientific name is genus Hibiscus Schizopetalus. Okay, having the petals which is split. So that is the scientific name. How is it propagated? The stems are very hard. These are shrub form, and so it is by cuttings. So one technique for this to be propagated is that we are going to immerse the stem into growth hormone, okay, root hormone, okay, on mixed into the water. So after a few days, it will form roots, and then you can plant it directly into the soil. So that is one. For medium, always remember it's a well-drained medium. It is a mixture of my rice house as well as garden soil and the anunuto. Okay, it can be placed directly into the sun and then it grows tall. No? And then one technique I do is that I cut so that I can maintain its height, no? And then it is placed in a pot so that it will not grow. So for Hibiscus Schizopetalus, they are shrubs. So when we say shrubs, they are plants having the stem that is hard. Color of the stem is brownish to grayish. And then for the leaf, shape of the leaf is ovate. Okay, shape of the leaf is ovate and it is directly attached into the stem with the petule. Okay, I'm going to detach this one. I am sorry, plant, so that, okay, so this is the leaf. It is serrate, teeth-like, dentate. Okay, na siya murag nipon. Okay, it is sharp and then ovate in shape with the tip which is acute as well as the base which is also acute. Color of the front part is dark green and then color of the back part is light green. Okay, dark green at my end, light green at your my end. Okay, that is the coloration of the leaf. If you are going to feel it's glossy, okay, and very okay, glossy, and then the midrib, it can be felt at the bottom, so it goes downward with pinnate venation. Kindly check the pinnate venation of the leaf. Okay, another thing, this kind of gomamela is very they are useful. Why? Aside from being an ornamental plant, okay, as what I have said earlier, they can be used as a tea. So we harvest the flower and boil it and then drink. So it's not actually poisonous. Okay, and so for the in terms of the IUCN status, this kind of plant which is pendulous at it dangles downward, it is also not evaluated yet. Okay, and since they are unsani, they have a tooth-like, okay, tooth-like. See How is it arranged? The leaves are arranged in opposite, alternate, and the presence of small leaf in each of the big leaf. Okay, and then it is where the stalk that holds the pendulum style of flower. So this is another bud. Okay, by Tuesday, I think it is going to bloom, and this one will die. Okay, and so browning, there is browning. Okay, kindly check the difference between brown yellowing of leaf and the light green leaf. Okay, so it runs between ovate or oblong to elliptic shape. Okay, so that I have also tried pruning. Okay, wait, I am sweating. Okay, I to trigger the hibiscus schizopetalus to bear flower, to bloom. Okay, always have it pruned. Okay, another observation, since they are split, since the flowers, the blooms are split, actually the lobes are deep. Okay, the lobes of the blooms are deep. So I am going to let you see. So once again, this is our Hibiscus schizopetalus. But before I am going to end my review with this kind of plant, case it is a shrub, so that to avoid being bushy, shrubby, okay, please do have some prunes so that you can have this form flowers. So what is the common name for this? It is commonly known as Campanilla, Chinese lantern, or Japanese hibiscus. Okay, it is also called coral hibiscus, French rose mallow, or if not, it is known as spider hibiscus. It is because of the chandelier or the parachute bloom. So once again, this is our Hibiscus schizopetalus. This is our Campanilla. Okay, before that, I shout out to the following subscribers. Ma'am Riaha Alsomo, to Sir Cesar Navarro, to Toybatana U, to Kent, and to Arjun, and to my Zara family. Thank you so much, Zara, to Einstein, to Maxwell, and to Pascal, and even my pine trees. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. For those who are new, please do not fail to click the notification so that you will be notified of any new review. Thank you and stay safe. Once again, this is our Campanilla, Japanese hibiscus, our Chinese lantern, or Hibiscus schizopetalus. Thank you and God bless.